Guys, we are at the Jamaican Grill restaurant. Yeah, man, we have some food. Watch out them food and so it is, you know? So follow me in the store. Oh, you know it. Yes, my people. You know we are Jamaican, you know. So we have to take what we know. There's some stewed chicken with some rice and peas, some nice vegetable at the side, you know. Now taste and make you know what I go and still if it rate it, you know. Yeah. I have some sliced fish here, kingfish with rice and peas with some steamed cabbage. So it look good. This is some nice, lovely soup. Again, you know you have to drink some soup cause clear your stomach first and get consume the food, you know. Some beef soup, my people. Nice. At 10 me I give this like 8 cause it tastes good, me not lie you. Drink real good. I'm gonna sample the food and make you know what I go on, you know. Look good still. Taste the vegetable first. Yeah. Not bad. Nah, like my people, it tastes good, but one thing, a little bit too salt. Yeah? Kind of a little bit too salt, but it tastes good. Alright. The kingfish, you know? So I go and feed. Yeah. Well fried. And the steamed cabbage, it tastes good. Yeah man, that one are good. That's it, go man. So I rate this. I give this a 9. I give this 2 chicken a 8 cause it's a little bit salt, you know. But it eat good still, you know. The soup I give it a 8 too. The restaurant clean and everything, you know. Nice place to be. You can dine inside if you want to, you know. And the food eat good. The food alright. So you can, if you're in the area, you can check it out, you know. The name of the restaurant is Grill Jamaican Restaurant.